Hi guys, Adrian here from Of the Sea Tarot. I'm a tarot reader, also a Reiki and crystal healer as well. I've got a nice surprise. I've got a big box from Uruguay. We've got 3 different types of amethyst. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unbox and show you what we've got. Alright. It's quite a big box. I'll unwrap a few and explain to you what we've got. Alright, so we've got 3 different types of amethyst, okay? So we've got your normal purple amethyst. I'll just open up one. Okay, so we've got your beautiful purple amethyst. We've got all different sizes for different people who want to buy something cheap, something more expensive, different types of colours as well. We've got some little ones as well. So different shades of purple. So this is your purple amethyst from Uruguay. And I'll open up a few more soon. And then we have what you call your black amethyst. Your black amethyst from Uruguay. And then we've got your rainbow amethyst, guys. So these are the little rainbow amethyst. So the more of the red colour. Alright, I'll open up all the box onto the table. I don't want to bore you with all that. And we'll get back to you soon. Bye. Welcome back, guys. So I've got everything on the table now. So we've got the purple amethyst. That you all know of. You can get these in other countries, of course, from Brazil, Australia. These ones are from Uruguay. We've got the black amethyst and we've got the rainbow amethyst as well. Now, these amethysts are formed over millions of years, okay, with volcanic lava flow. Gas bubbles are trapped in the cooling process of the lava, and when mineral-rich water seeps through these cavities, they grow quartz, of course. So we do have the black amethyst, which has hematite and geolite, more of the hematite that makes it black. And then we've got the rainbow amethyst. This one here is got, again, is formed with hematite and geolite, and it's got more of the geolite, okay? So as over the years, traces amounts of ions within the quartz combined with the natural radiation from the surrounding rock creates these beautiful purple colours and black and rainbow colours. The purple amethyst is the stone of intuition, peace, and spiritual growth, and helps calm the mind, deeper meditation and connection with your inner wisdom, right? And the black amethyst carries a stronger, more grounding energy, offering protection, stability, and helping you feel safe and balances you during challenging times. And the rainbow amethyst is a more transformation crystal with emotional healing and positive change. Encourages you to release the past, embrace new opportunity, and move forward with hope and confidence. All right. So pretty much the purple helps, or I'll say helps you to teach. The black helps you to protect, and the rainbow amethyst is good for transformation. So yeah, so we're going to have these in store soon. If there's any questions on the different types of amethyst, there are a lot more different types, but these ones are from Uruguay. So we've got the purple amethyst, the black amethyst, and now the rainbow amethyst in store. Okay, until next time, we'll see you then. Bye.